Avoid working with those realtors. As a realtor, I'm not here to put down other realtors. I want to see anyone has success in real estate, but I want what's best for buyers and sellers. First of all, you see any realtors who see real estate as a side hustle job, avoid those. You want to work with one who does full-time work. It shows that they have a full commitment to you. Second, you want to work with realtors who give you full transparency. Regardless of discussing about a commission or asking topics that you want to know, they should give you full answers. It shows they value you and want to see you knowing what to do. Third, integrity. It's really important. It shows that realtors really care about you and they honor their words on whatever expects or takes them to do for you. They would do it for you. That's their job.